Looking for that fully furnished lakefront condo? Step into this incredible 3-bed, 3-bath, 1,539 square feet condo on Lake Taneycomo. Stunning bamboo flooring, stainless steel appliances, electric fireplace, full-size washer and dryer, furnace, air conditioner and new water heater were installed in August 2018. It is peaceful and has spectacular fishing. It also features a Diamond Resort Amenity Pass for only $723.71 a year, which includes a BBQ area, clubhouse, fishing, fitness center, game room, gardens, gazebo, golf putting green/mini golf, Horseshoe Pit, lake, fall Creek Marina, movie/DVD rental, picnic area, playground, pool table, shuffleboard, table tennis/ping pong, tennis, and volleyball. Minutes from Branson's world-class entertainment and one-of-a-kind dining.